Start talking.
Pee.
You gonna say hi to mommy?
Hey, mommy.
What's in your hands? Tell her what's in your hands.
I'm a cocky.
Which one's your chocolate?
My cocky is red. My cocky is red.
And what's this?
That's my boo.
That's your water?
Yeah, that's mine. And then the door.
You gonna tell mommy what you had for breakfast?
I had the birthday.
What'd you have for breakfast?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, I do.
You had pancakes?
I have pancake, Mama.
What kind of pancakes?
Pancake. Pancake in the way.
With syrup?
Yeah. Who there?
You wanna say something to mommy?
Hey, Mama. What are you doing?
You gonna say you love her?
I'm ready, Mama.
Say I'll see you at lunchtime, mama.
I see you, Mama.
Mwah.
Mama.
You gonna blow kisses? Say bye.
Bye.